Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to know who follows you on Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now to know who follows you on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to know who follows you. And after that guys, after landing on the newsfeed or the home page of Facebook, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a small home icon. Just below that there is our small profile icon. Tap on that, on our profile picture icon, and we will be on the profile section of our account, where you can see there is the see your about info option available for us. Just below the profile category, type on see your about info, and guys scroll down all the way to the bottom from over here, and where you can see the followers option available, or the followers category available for us. Now in order to see who follows us, tap on the see all button available at the right side of that followers option, and over here guys you will know who follows you on Facebook. And guys, this is how to know who follows you on Facebook on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.